this is the part we'll be replacing. On the old part where the shaft comes down through the plate, you will see that it's oblong. You'll also notice on the old part that they put the serial number. Since we'll be taking it out, we've already predated when we put this part in and the part number, so anybody else has to replace it to be able to get the information off of it. So here you can see we have the manufacturer on the cover plate along with their 800 number and website. And here you can see the placement of the serial number if the part was original. The next phase is to remove the two holder bolts holding the top bracket in place. The plate had significant damage. After removing the old hinge bracket, this is the new hinge bracket completely installed. Once the hinge bracket's been installed, we reinstall the door, put the two bolts back in place, square everything up. As you can see, our door is fully operational. If you like this video, hit the follow button below. Thanks.